welcome back to Course.Exams channel and back to the tutorial for operating system. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for whoever to apply with the competitive exam like GateUgc and college level, all variety of university also. Today we are going to continue the topic called first come first service serve CP scheduling algorithm. The previous session I explained about the scheduling, what are the difference between scheduling and preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling, as well as the arrival time. And this session I explain about what is arrival time, response time, tech completion time, and so on. Today we are going to continue this topic. One of the scheduling algorithm, the criteria is arrival time and mode is non-preemptive. So let's support our channel. Please kindly subscribe and share with your friends. And here we are going to see the first come first serve algorithm with real-time example as well as the solve the problem also. So here first come first serve means we have to remember it's a non-preemptive and preemptive scheduling algorithm and also easy to understand and use. I am going to solve the problem with the help of non-preemptive only. Then in this one, the process which reaches first it executes first. Or in other words you can say the process which requires first for a CPU gets a CPU first. So example you can say the cinema ticket counter buying tickets at the ticket counter. A person, suppose 10% there, first person will get the ticket. After getting the first person, second person will go to the counter and get the ticket, like that only. And before understanding this, like kind of algorithm like FCFS, JF, round robin, here now about Gantt chart. So Gantt chart is nothing but a useful graphical tool which shows activities or tasks performed against time. Let's assume that to understand this and you can have idea about this first FCFS. Let's assume that there are 4 processes with process ID P0, P1, P2 and followed by P3. The arrival time of P0 is 1, so 0, and P1 is 1 and P2 is 2 and P3 is 3. Let's assume that. So here assume that we have arrival time and as well as the bus time. Let's consider we have one assumption P0 have bus time of 6, P1 having 8, P2 10 followed by P3 having 12 bus time like that. So let me solve the problem. Let's go for solve. So solve means what we are going to find the turnaround time, completion time with the help of Gantt chart and also turnaround time at last waiting time. Then if you want you can go for the turnaround time and average turnaround time and the average waiting time at last. So let's assume that we just now told. So here right. So let's assume here we have a P0. Generally the P0 start with the time of 0 as seen in the diagram here. Okay, then bus time. So totally the P0 takes 6. So totally P0 whenever time comes 6, that means 6 units come, the P0 will complete it. So P0 start from 0, whenever bus time 6 it will totally completed. So once P0 completed, remember in FCFS, once the process completed then only ready. You can check the another process, choose another process will continue. Once another process continue, then only you can go for another one. Then so now P1. Now next to what you can do, you can choose the P1. The P1 require how much bus time required? It take 8 only. But totally so totally P1 required 6 plus 8 14 here. 6 plus 8 14 as per the Gantt chart. Now P1 completed, go for P2 similarly. So P2 need only 10. So total time it take means what? Total time to complete the process is, so 6 plus 8 to 14. So P1 take 14 and P2 take similarly P2 take 10 only, but totally 6 plus 8 14 plus 10 24. So at last whenever time come 24 units it will complete it. Now at last P0 P1 P2 completed, at last P3 is there. So P2 required 12 but totally it required 36, that is 24 plus 12 36. So when this is the completion time. So now we got and result for completion time. Now go for the turnaround time. So turnaround time means, remember the formula, we go for waiting as turnaround time means completion time minus arrival time. Completion time minus arrival time. Waiting time is equal to turnaround time minus bus time. So turnaround time how do we calculate? Completion time, see the completion time minus arrival time. So let's continue the P0. So what is the turnaround time P0? That is 6 minus 0, 6. and P2 14 minus 1, I am highlighting here. So 14 minus 1 13. Similarly, turnaround time for P2 is 24 minus 2 22. At last 36 for turnaround time for P3 is 36 minus 3 33. Now waiting time. So waiting time means what? Just now I told you, that is turnaround time minus batch time. So turnaround time I am highlighting turnaround time minus batch time. That is the answer of waiting time. Now what is the waiting time for P1? So P0, because we are considering before assumption only, that is 0, because here turnaround time is what? 6 minus 6. Batch time is 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. Similarly, waiting for P1 is 13 minus 8, that is 5. And similarly P2, that is turnaround is 22. So 22, and here batch time is 10. So 22 minus 10, 12. At last P3 is there. P3 turnaround time is 33 and batch time is 12. So 33 minus 12 what? 21. So P3 is 21. So already explained you all the terms with the real time example. So easily you can find out, because in your competitive exam they ask for calculate the consider following Gantt chart or consider the following algorithm with exam sample data. Calculate the turnaround time, or as the waiting time of the P3 and so on. So you should be ready and solve. So now we successfully completed with we find out the completion time, turnaround time and waiting time. Now we conclude with the total. That means average waiting time as well as the average turnaround time. So average waiting is equal to what? That is the number of process. Okay, what are the average waiting formula is what? Number of process, that is 4. Total by waiting time by number of process, that is totally 1, 2, 3, 4 process. So you can add everything, that is 0 plus 5 plus 12 plus 21 divided by 4. So what you will get answer? You will get 38 by 4, that is 9.5 microseconds. So average time is what? Add all the waiting time by the divided number of process, that is 4. Similarly, average turnaround time. So average turnaround time, we already have turnaround time now, that is 6 plus total 4 divided by 4, that is 6 plus 13 plus 12 plus 6 plus 13 plus 12 plus 22 plus 13. How much will come? That is totally 74 by 4. You will get the answer of that 18.5 microseconds. So simple and easy. So whenever we have this kind of problem, we have to think about the, with the help of Gantt chart we can develop it. That is most of the sums, most of the one will get arrival time, batch time. Then you have to find the completion time and turnaround time and waiting time. So easily, once you know the turnaround time and the waiting time, you can easily find the average waiting time plus average waiting time and followed by the average turnaround time also. So these are the FCFS algorithm. If I any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.